Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by disconnecting power and exposing the cable. Don't dawdle. Once the shell is open, identify the damaged section, usually near the strain relief where bending occurs most. Cut out a small length of outer jacket so you can see the colored wires and strip 3-4 mm of insulation from each conductor. Make sure to keep the braided shield if present. This early precision prevents repeated failures because clean, controlled access lets you join wires without tension or shorts. Once exposed and stripped, align colors and twist each conductor together tightly. This gives mechanical strength before soldering. Heat the joint with the soldering iron, add solder until a smooth, shiny fillet forms. This ensures low resistance and durability. Next, slide individual heat shrink over each conductor and shrink them, then bundle the wires and use a larger heat shrink sleeve over the braid and strain area to restore stiffness. Make sure to maintain correct wire order. Improper pairing can, once insulated and cooled, position the repaired cable into the mouse housing exactly where the strain relief grips it, then reassemble the shell. You should test functionality immediately. Plug in, move the sensor across a pad, click every button, and verify LED or DPI switching. If problems appear, power down and reopen. Most failures are cold solder joints or stray braid touching conductors. Reflow suspect joints and reinsulate. If persistent, replace the cable assembly to avoid intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.